it's a very unusual house.
Michael, I hear this dog is famous.
Yeah, this is our...
Wow.
That's what I wanted.
Now this is what you're paying for.
Yeah.
All right, what do we have going on over here, man? Introduce yourself.
Well, my name is Michael, and I'm a Canadian as well, and I moved here in Rojas City June 1 after being in the Philippines for like 2.5 years at that point. And I fell in love with this place because of the beach. I wanted to live on the beach, and well, I wanted to be also close to an airport and an SM mall, that kind of thing, like modern conveniences. And here it's only 2.3 kilometers from the beach to the airport, and about 2.8 to the SM mall. So it's very, very close to everything you want, and you can live on the beach. And that's a really, really difficult thing to find here in the Philippines. I've been looking. And this one, I had to see the potential. So this house, I did a ton of renovations on, and I did a long-term lease on it. And yes, I spent my own money.
Really?
On not my property. But I did it because I'm going to be here to enjoy it, and I just took the cost of what I'm spending here, divided it by the number of months I have on my lease, and I said, okay, reasonable number. So what I came to was it looked like an outhouse. It was just a bathroom. And then it had an upstairs on stilts. So none of this was here. It was just concrete stilts and all open down below, and a bedroom upstairs with a balcony. And there was nothing else. And it was an Airbnb. And they were getting, you know, like good money. I think they got like $4,000 a night or something like that. And they would be rented out on weekends. And so he was only willing to rent it out for $20K. But he let me do whatever I want. Basically, I still had to get approval. So I went to work, and I got workers in here, and I put this whole first floor in, including the hallway you see in there and everything. And I had the bathroom built all the way up with a second floor bathroom, full shower, everything else there, and a little privacy fence thing here so that you can go from the bedroom right into a bathroom. And then this door has actually been locked out, and I installed a new one inside. So come on in.
Let's go in.
Oh, Archie, you've been in here the whole time. We're a little Shih Tzu dog. So don't mind the mess. We didn't expect anybody to be coming into the house today. And I have my storm thing in front of the window right now. Normally, this isn't here, but we've been going through effects of a typhoon that hit Luzon. It's brought a ton of wind and a ton of waves. I'll show some more later. But this isn't normally here. I just had it put in just for temporary. But yeah, we just recently got this bean bag. We filled it up because we absolutely love like this whole feeling of just, and you can sleep, and the three of us, there's my girlfriend and her daughter, and we all just sleep in here and watch a movie. We have another TV upstairs if we wanted, but we wanted something different, a different type of life. And yeah, we have a freezer, and we have water obviously, and we have only a bar fridge because, well, we own a bar. So,
you own a bar?
Yeah, we don't need more than a freezer and a bar fridge, to be quite honest. We have an oven though, and coffee maker, like with the capsule coffee, and what do you call that? Air fryer and all that. That's our real kitchen is outside. We watch out, guys. Watch out, watch out. This is like a laundry, dirty kitchen sort of thing going on here, because we don't do much cooking because we own our own restaurant, so it doesn't seem to make a lot of sense to need a whole lot. Again, very messy. And Catherine is probably rolling in her grave right now. Yeah, yeah. She definitely is. I had this put in recently so that we can air condition the inside room. Yes, we like to leave it all open, but there are some days it's just too hot.
Yeah.
And we want to be able to just sit in here comfortably. Plus, if it's raining, it could be raining sideways, so we have to close it anyway. So this way, you know, it's a very unusual house this way, but it's nice. We like it. I'll show you upstairs here. Oh, and sorry, the bathroom was down in that thing there, but it's nice.
Okay.
Lots of sand from going to the beach. This one's full of sand too. So living on a beach, especially a volcanic sand beach, you get a lot of volcanic sand. So when somebody has a shower after being in there, it's going to look like that. Although the whole bathroom is a bit of a mess. But we had, you know, we had the rain shower and everything. And
did you put all this in, or did
yes, yeah, there was no bathroom. This whole thing, like all of this. This is the part that has been here the whole time, and This is what really sold me the place. And I put this in too, because rain would come in sideways.
Wow.
That's what I wanted.
Now this is what you're paying for.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
This is my bedroom window, essentially balcony. And it is absolutely gorgeous, and we can't not spend time out here. It's too nice.
How long have you been here now?
Well, it moved to June 1.
Mm-hmm.
So that's been about, what, 6 months, 5 months? 5 months. Yeah, 5 months here. And, you know, we've done a lot of things. We put this in because it would flood. Water would go downstairs, so we have plastic under this, and then we just put this on top. Our Christmas tree, because we don't have a lot of room.
What do you want for Christmas?
Peace and quiet, my friend.
So you're working towards that right now, right?
So that's a new project that I just did. And I'll take you down there and we can take a look
Sure.
at it. But essentially, that's it. We have our living area, we have our living room, and that's going to be our dining.
Michael, I hear this dog is famous.
Yeah, this is our famous Red, and that's Archie over there. Very, very friendly, beautiful dogs.
They're very friendly, you're right.
They'll lick you to death.
It's okay, I like
Right,
it.
buddy? Oh, I should also tell you, so another thing people think about when they were thinking of coming to the Philippines is, what's the internet like? I get 1 gigabit up and down here.
Wow, 1 gig. How is that possible?
A company called Westfardell, and they have Globe and PLDT, all of them, and they all come into them, and then they split it out, and it's incredible.
I gotta start living over here, man. 1 gig is great.
Well, at the shop I have half gig. So
Awesome, man.
yeah, at the bar. Then also, so this table here is just temporary. That's all going on this new dining room. And yeah, you can see the plastic from the underside. That's to actually channel the water off the edge. But this is really what I cared about. Like normally this is much cleaner, but we just had the big typhoon, and that gate, like you can see how high the sand used to be.
Yeah.
All the way, including the beach, by the way. And that's how much that typhoon came in, Capito or something.
Yep.
And it drew all of it away. It lifted our whole fence post up. I had all these sandbags put in to try to salvage what was left.
Yeah.
And it did work. Luckily, it did work. Every night we get less. And we had to redo new structure on this after the fact. Yeah, because of the typhoon, we came in, storm came in, it pulled all the cement, the base under it, all away. So they had to redo, so now we have a new concrete base there, new structure, everything, reinforced this whole thing. But we got through it. Now, the one thing I'm going to ask the owner, and I have asked for, is them to build a proper retaining wall with a proper fence. And he's getting prices now.
So explain to me again, you're paying for all this and it's not your home?
I paid to enclose all that. This is my new dining room that I'm putting in here. So I'm spending about 250,000 pesos on this house. But since I'm staying upwards of 3 years, I have a 2-year lease with a 1-year renewal. I took that and divided it and said, okay, I was paying 30,000 a month for a 3-bedroom house in Iloilo in a subdivision. No beach, not what I wanted out of life. And so I'm willing to pay what it worked out to is just under $30,000 pesos a month for this if it looked the way I wanted. So I just said, screw it, I'm going to do it myself. I tried so many places down this beach, and they want 80,000 a month, 50,000 a month, that kind of thing, and they still needed a lot of work. So I just put it all into my head and said, okay, I want to be here. I have to look at the potential. And sure enough, here I am. Like, if I hadn't started this, the house looked finished. This was all clean. It was really beautiful. But I just started this, it's been about 8 days now. And it should be done tomorrow, maybe tonight. I don't think so.
So right now, what's your final vision for this place?
This was going to be it. There was a guy who said that he wanted, for promotion for his company, he wanted to do a waterfall feature with a splash pad pool and a bench with a fireplace. And we would have a projector and put a movie up on this big screen, this big area here.
Nice.
Refix it up and paint it. And then we would sit here and you can sit in your tub, the waterfall behind you, and watch a movie. So, but I haven't heard from the guy since he came to look and everything else ever again. So I may have to find somebody else that can do that kind of job.
Yeah.
Because that would be
perfect. Okay.
That would be perfect. Because we have a lot of landscaping to do, sure, but we already have the plants. We have to deal with all that.
Any concerns if you don't stay here 2 or 3 years? What do you think of that?
Then you just, if I don't stay, then I just realize that, okay, I know what I'm walking away from.
It's worth the cost, I guess.
Yeah,
right?
yeah. At the end of the day, I'm very happy with where we live. And if I want to leave that bad, then there's a reason.
Yeah.
So, but I don't think so. I have the bar and the restaurant down the beach here. I'm 400 meters from my own business.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Okay, I can't wait to find out more about your bar. What's the name of it?
Canadian Beaver Bar and Grill.
Okay, I'll be sure to sit down with you at that bar, and I want to know all about how you started that business and tell more people about this place, man. It looks lovely. It just looks really cool over here, man. It looks like something I've seen in Indonesia, just like the style of it.
Right, exactly. Yeah. It looks local, but it's got actual insulation and everything else, concrete.
What's your biggest challenge right now, like living here?
Well, I guess it's been this, right?
Yeah.
Like I had to pay. That's over 150 sandbags. I had to pay to have guys put in. Well, it goes deeper. That's why. Same came back in. So yeah, it takes a lot of effort to maintain. Plus, if you want to live on the ocean, everything needs maintenance. Always.
Okay.
Gotta keep that in mind. Salt air just destroys everything.
Do you have any videos on your YouTube channel about the progress of this or nothing?
Yeah, right from the beginning. Same with the bar.
Yeah.
Like the bar was just a small bar when I bought it. It was called the Barracuda, and I spent a fortune on that too, and really upgraded it, and hired all the staff and the logos and everything, and we had our grand opening on June 23rd, and it was just jammed. It's never been that busy again. That's incredible. We even took over the neighboring yard because we had a band over there, plus tons of tables over there and everything. The mayor came and cut the ribbon. It was a big deal.
Nice.
And we've done very good, considering we were here in rainy season. We still have plenty of nights where we're sold out.
Well, I'll be sure to put the YouTube channel link in the description. People go ahead and check it out, and I'll definitely sit down with you and get more information about your bar.
Sounds good.
Well, thank you so much for this tour, man. I appreciate it.
My pleasure. My pleasure.
Leave your thoughts down below. Let me know what you think of Michael's decision to go ahead and upgrade a home that is not hers. I'll be honest, when I first heard it, I thought this guy was crazy. But once I heard the details about how he's saving money actually in the long run, because he's going to be at least 2 to 3 years, plus his business is just down the road, it made perfect sense to me. I got one more episode with him coming up, explaining the details about his business. I'm really curious how to start a business in the Philippines. So stick around for that one. Hit that subscribe button if you're new, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.